Hey guys, and welcome to the unboxing and quick look at the MI home security camera. Now, the version we have with us is the 360-degree variant, and its key specifications, as mentioned on the box, are HD video recording, night vision, and talkback feature. Now, this talkback feature uses the speaker on the back side of the camera to telecast our voice from our phone. Like you can do a voice call to the camera and talk to whoever is in that particular room that you're monitoring. Now, looking at the back side of the box, we have the pricing of the box quoted, that is 2899 rupees. Now, coming to the buying options, even if you're buying it online in the Amazon store or offline in MI homes in the malls and all, there's not gonna be quite a lot of difference in the pricing. So the maximum discount you can get is at 2600 rupees, which is only 200 rupees away from the MSRP that is marked on the box. So buying offline or online really doesn't matter with this particular camera. And now let's open the box and take a look at what's there in the box. So first thing we see when we open the box is this leaflet, which is the user manual for this particular camera. Now let's put that aside and see what else comes with the box. So there's this small box looking thing which I am guessing will be having the camera accessories that the camera uses to perform. So let's take the plastic box outside and taking a look around. Here we can open it. Now let's open this. So as you can see, we have the USB power plug, and then the next thing we have is the mounting option. If you're going to be mounting this camera on the wall, this is going to be helpful for you. And then this really long USB cable. So this is mainly nice because if you are using the camera away from the power output, this is going to be really handy. So let's put them aside and take a look at what else is in the box. Now at this point I think only the camera will be in the box. So let's take the camera out and take a look. So putting the camera out of the box, we can notice that there's nothing in the box. So I'll quickly put the box aside and the rest of the things on my table aside so that we can take a look at the camera itself. Now let me remove the protective plastic that they've given around the camera so that we can take a look at the camera itself. So taking it out of the plastic wrap, you can see the camera itself in a white and a black finish. Now the key feature, as the company mentions, is this up, down and left or right movement that the camera will be able to perform. Now to use this functionality, you'll need the app that you can download from Play Store. So using the app, you can control its up, down, left or right movements. Now the camera itself, here you have the MI logo, and as you can see, if you are going to turn the lens up, you can see a SD card slot which uses micro SD to record videos offline. Unfortunately, we don't have any cloud recording on this particular model. So turning it back, you have the speaker grills through which your voiceover comes out, and then down we have the micro USB port which is used to power the camera, and then reset button itself. So down you have four rubber feet. If you're going to be putting this on a table or any flat surface, these rubber grips are going to be holding your camera in place. So just like so. Let me put that back in position. Now this is the app you're going to be needing if you're going to be using this camera. It's called MI Home and it's available on the Play Store. So go ahead and download this app. So let's connect the camera to the power source. And let me put the camera back in its place. As you can see, there is an indicator light on the camera itself indicating the power input. Let me turn that aside so that you can see. So as you can see, it's glowing in yellowish orange color right now. So let me take the phone and see what happens. So as you can see, the camera is calibrating itself as soon as you connect it to power. It's turning along all the axes and making sure everything's working fine. So now let's take our phone and take a look at the app. So if you missed it, this is the app you're going to be using with it, the MI Home app, and this is going to be give you the functionality of tilting and rotating the camera as well. So let's click on detect device, and it has already detected the camera. So let's click on it, and now it's asking us for our Wi-Fi password. So let me quickly enter the password and connect to the Wi-Fi network, and I'll be back. Now we've connected to the Wi-Fi, so let's click next. And when you click next, it's giving you this QR code, and it's telling you to scan this using the security camera, which in turn pairs your camera with your phone. So let us scan the QR, and the camera gave me a notice that pairing is successful. So I'm waiting for the app to show it up. So as you can see, the app is telling that it's setting up our device. So let's wait for the setup. Now the device is added, so we can go ahead and use it. Now as soon as you set up, it asks you where the camera is located, so you have to select an option out of this. I was thinking of an office type of thing, but there is no office option here, so I'm going to just quickly select the living room option from this drop down menu, and click continue. So the device name, I'm not going to change anything because I don't have multiple cameras or anything now. And then we'll click on finish setup. So here you have this is the interface. Now this is the joystick in the middle, and here you're going to get your preview, so you can zoom in. Now that's the maximum, I guess. You can zoom in, yes, it's a maximum. And if you zoom out, as you can see, the field of view is really wide, and if you cannot see in the camera, actually the quality of the video is also really good. Now you can tilt it, you can turn it left or right from the app itself. As you can see, it's very responsive as well. You can adjust it to exactly what position you want to adjust it to. And this is the voice call feature that they advertised to give voiceovers to the camera. So that's it, guys. This is our unboxing and our quick look at the device itself. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.